Here we have the new Hotpoint fridge freezer in black. It's a 50-50 fridge freezer ratio. It's quite big. Inside at the top here you have the on-off settings. It's the power button. You can change what temperature the fridge is set at with a button. It goes up to 8. And then you also have a super button which will freeze things 24 hours quite quickly. There's an energy efficient LED bulb inside it. 2 shelves, followed by 2 large drawers. One's for vegetables. And that one, if you was to press the super button, it would freeze this drawer quicker, or cool it down quicker. Then there's 3 shelves to the side for your milk and drinks. And then in the freezer there is 4 drawers, plenty big enough, an extra large zone there, so you can fit everything in. Also, if the fridge door is left open for too long, or the freezer door is left open for too long, a buzzer goes off.